This video demonstrates how we can manipulate videos, subtitles, and other files within NextTT. Assets can be uploaded into existing folders by choosing Ingest here. Or we can ingest assets in no specific folder and later on move them. Assets we have ingested can be found in My Ingests. Once an ingest is done, it appears in My Ingests. At that point, we can preview it. It takes a moment to process the preview, or if it's an encrypted video or an online video which will not be downloaded. But then we go back to My Ingests, we can see the other ingests, which is not linked to any folder, so we can specify where it will go. It is possible to link the same video to more than one folders, like this one, which is linked to 2. It takes a moment for the processing to complete. We can ingest other contents, not just videos, for example, documents. Often we need additional documents that people need to sign, for example. So we see that other contents can also be added in the system. The folders can be local storage or remote, such as cloud, additional server, FTP, etc. For example, this is an FTP storage. From the point of view of users who do not access the system directly or use other automated systems for FTP transfers, we can connect that type of storage. Once it is connected, the uploads happen automatically and everything is in real time. There is no need to refresh anything. Documents or videos we will use frequently can be bookmarked for quick access. A video can be used as a whole, or it can be split up in chunks that may be needed for a specific task. This does not create a new video file, but simply logical chunks that can be manipulated, so it does not increase demands for storage. From the video, I can create a video chunk or select a specific marker, but let's focus on video chunks. By default, the whole movie is selected, but I can visually select a part of it or manually enter a specific time frame from to, which I want to use. As you can see, it is marked and I can name it and create the video chunk. So now I can look at this selection only and not be bothered with everything else. Of course, I still have a reference or a link to the original video file, the full one, where I can see a list of all the chunks I have created. If I want to create another chunk, I can again visually or manually continue from the previous position with the next chunk. And now I have a list of all the chunks and I can work with all of them. The chunks can also be bookmarked for easy access or dragged into existing tasks, for example. And now I have a task related to one specific video chunk.